Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. After that, scroll down again, tap on Font Size, and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!